This next song is entitled Pain in My Heart. Siyempre, para sa mga pusong nasaktan at pusong sugatan. This is for you guys. Hope you like it. Pasensya na sa boses. Here I am alone in this empty room. Let my mind just fly you to the end. Thoughts of you still linger in my memory, wondering why my life is not that fair. I could still recall the memories of you, the joy and all your laughter, the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe you're gone. Oh no. I like this song kasi talking to myself for reasons I should finding out why everything went wrong. Tears falling down my cheeks that I've been trying to hold. Just don't know if I could still go on. I wanted you to stay. Tears began to show. You said you care for me, but then you had to go. And now I know you're gone. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. Ganun daw eh. Pag nasaktan, pag nag-move on, ayaw mo marinig yung mga kantang dati, kinakanta nilang pareho. Kasi nakakasakit. Naalala mo na yung mga nakalipas na di na pwedeng ibalik. I just can't believe you're gone, but I want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel pain.